A viewer recently asked me something interesting on one of my Primavera P6 videos about translating the language of project and not just the software. So in this video, I will show you two practical ways to do it using Excel and using AI tools. Moreover, with growing collaboration of different nationalities across many projects, I will also show you how we can display a project with activities in multiple languages. Before I get into the video, I want to tell you that I am uploading after more than a year's break. Seeing the recent comment and the subscription spike genuinely motivated me to create this video. Right now, most of the viewers on the channel are unsubscribed. Please take a second to subscribe to the channel. Open your project, just go to the export option. Export is as Excel. And for this particular tutorial, we only need activities. Click on next and make sure you don't have anything extra. Maybe you have some resources or anything else that will just mess the import process. Next. This is the file that has been exported. After you open this Excel file, first you need to add an extra row and copy all the activity names in that column. Just make the properties same. From under the activity name, press Ctrl, Shift and down arrow. This will select all the activities and press delete. Now use the formula translate the cell in which text is available, D3, the source language, English, EN, and from here you can see the codes of various languages are available. Let's say I want to translate into French, and it will use the internet to translate into French. Double click on this corner and it will auto drag the formula up till the last activity. Now press Ctrl C and Ctrl Shift V. This will paste them as values. Now this portion can be done using Excel. It can also be done by using our second method, that is AI. What I will do is select all the activities same as before, Ctrl Shift down arrow, open a new Excel file by Ctrl N and paste these. I can see that the last activity is in the row 132. So the prompt that I am going to use is act as an APC engineer who has command over all technical terms in English, your parent language, and French. Translate the document into French. Make sure you translate from cell A1 to A132. Close it and let's give it that file. Now personally, I've seen that this translation using AI is more effective as it will be using this LLM model for translating. So here it is, our file is ready. Here are the translated names of the activities. You can copy all of these and insert a column, Control C, Control V. All of this will be deleted. And from your file that you downloaded from your LLM model, you can paste these as values. Now what you need to do is make the properties same. Select the first activity, make properties of all the rows same, delete it and save the file. After that, go to import Excel, next, and finish. And you can see that all the activities have been changed to French. All the activities are now in Arabic. And before I show you that method of showing how to have a project in multi-language display, don't forget to subscribe. Now for the last part. What if you want to show two or more than two languages at the same time? Go to Enterprise and user defined field. Let's say we add as activity name in French. And the data type we keep as text. We close it. We go to our UDF field and we add the activity name after our listen. Now we click apply. Just so we get some values after we export it into Excel. We are gonna write something, anything, just like this, and leave it be. Another thing that you need to do, you need to take care while exporting is go to Excel, activities, export, and here you need to modify because you will be getting only these columns. You need to go to user defined field option here. You need to go to user defined field option here, click on activity name and then press OK. And now this is the file that has been exported. Here you can see that both of the fields are available. You have nothing to do, just using the same method, translate your activity names, copy from there and paste it under the activity name of French. Make sure you copy the properties and also across the rows. Now save it. And now when we import, here we will get activities in both English and French. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. If you are facing any P6 related issue, leave a comment below. The next video could be me solving that problem.